Hello, in this video I will show you all display settings on OPPO A5. So first of all, as you can see, I can switch between display modes. So I can enable dark mode, and also in the dark mode I can schedule it, and here I have some other settings like on the screen right now. Also, there is some other options like brightness. I can adjust brightness by using this slider over here, and I can also enable or disable auto brightness. There is also screen color mode. So as you can see, this is here you can like make your color style by using this circle over here. Also, you can select natural softer color display. And now, as you can see, it's looking like warmer, more warmer. Also, there is some other features like eye comfort, which is like a reading mode. So now I'm enabling it, and everything looks more yellowish. So it's very helpful when you want to read and your eyes can rest. Also, we can find over here font settings. You can select fonts from here. Also, there is more fonts in the themes shop. You can also adjust font size and font weight over here. Also, we have display size, so you can select between large, standard, and small display size. There's also auto rotation, auto screen off. You can set it up to 30 minutes even. You can also change screen refresh rate from here, from this section. And also you can go to full screen for apps. So you can customize apps, and you can adjust like the full screen mode for these apps. So yeah, basically that's all. This is all of the settings on this OPPO A5. There is no too much. So yeah, it's like common features here. Thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel.